Hello, it's Susan, your English teacher here at Booked Up English. Today's lesson is a vocabulary lesson. New words help your child understand and speak in English. Today's words are part of the animals unit. Click the link below to see all the words in this unit. Let's go. Snake, snake, snake. This is a snake. What's this? This is a snake. Lizard, lizard, lizard. This is a lizard. What's this? This is a lizard. Mouse, mouse, mouse. This is a mouse. What's this? This is a mouse. Thanks for learning today. Like, follow, and share to keep seeing my digital classroom lessons. See you soon!